Okay, just calm down, guys.
Turn the
Seriously.
volume down.
How do I find my character? Oh my god, look at me, I'm so sexy.
Now I'm scared. Now I'm scared. Lights are off.
Wait a minute, what's going on? I can be this weird guy that looks like he has constipation.
Who is that? That's not a person. That's cheating.
That's like Velma. That's like Daphne. It's like Daphne, but she's a lesbian. I'm gonna be that guy. Reese, are you gonna join?
Yeah, I'm joining game right now. It's about to be Daphne.
Okay, so this is kind of crazy.
I'm a woman.
This is White Noise Online, and we are the Whizards here, guys.
I'm surprised works though.
Do we start together? Cause I
control is so dumb.
guys, are we
I'm with
Yeah, who's this?
guys? I'm not with anyone. This is bad. Oh, I see you. I see you. I see
They
you.
were right there.
You're so mad right now. You're literally so mad right now.
What do I look like? Do I look cool?
Regan, you're in front.
I don't want to lead us. Oh, can I turn my flashlight off?
Group lead.
Why do we have to move like so slow? This is really messed up. Seriously.
Why is and also the
Oh, you can
like
go like barely faster. What's gonna happen, guys? I'm kind of scared. Don't whoa, don't fast walk. Don't fast walk. The best we can do is like fast walk. We gotta fast walk out of here, guys.
What's scary about this game, by the way? Like, we were just like a.
I don't know what's scary about this game.
We get here. We literally started in the middle of nowhere. We didn't even like start outside.
This is intense. We're in like some kind of really stupid.
This is intense. This is just gonna be jump in the game. And I'm just gonna like, as soon as there's a jump, I'm just talking.
Then Reese, we should just look at corners. Wait, guys. We should look in corners and see how long we last. Oh my god.
Guys, who turned off their flashlight?
I think. I think I just saw something. Reese, this is scary. Oh my god.
Regan.
Reese, your neck is so long. It's really creepy.
Wait, guys,
I don't know what I look like.
I think I just heard Scooby-Doo.
Everyone sees that. Dude, I just saw a shadow. Cooper, there's a shadow. It's like right next to you. This face sees me.
I literally can't see anything, and you guys keep fast walking away. Don't leave me behind. Okay, there's.
I like your flashlight affects me.
Oh, guys,
Oh, can we knock him over?
This is clearly worth $1. Barrel.
You're Shaggy, so Shaggy always splits up with Scooby. What do you think Shaggy does with a dog? There's a submarine.
That's not what Fred looks like.
This is so cray right now.
I'm going, guys. I'm going in.
No.
I can't go in. You cannot go in water. That's dumb. This game is accurate.
What? Can we? Is this all we do? Is just slow walk?
Why did they make us watch this?
What? That's outside. Oh, it's a tape recorder. Get it? No, it's a tape recorder. What the hell is that? Reese just died. Reese just died. Wait, Cooper, wait. He looked at a statue and he died.
What the fuck is that? Where did I go?
He literally looked at this. Oh, we found the tape recorder. What just happened?
So fucking dumb.
Cooper. Reese, you looked at the statue and died.
Fucking statue. This alien was like staring was looks fucking retard. Go. You missed it for us. Stay for right where I am. I like how I can even like go next to you. I literally just in the game, except in a different color, and you can't see my character.
Why did they make us
I don't. How do we have to avoid the statues? I don't understand.
Regan, this sucks dick. Are you in like an alien base? Go on like right here. It's an alien base.
Reese. I think it's kind of hard to avoid these statues, so we should kind of watch
No,
out.
it's not. No,
I know, I'm just kidding. But how did you even... Didn't you notice that you were dying, Reese?
No, the game was...
What's so scary about this? I don't understand.
You're not playing up
You just decorate, you can see that. So I'm literally just fucked. I can't I'm not even next.
Why'd you even look at that thing? I just saw you turn the corner.
I didn't know that was a thing. I had no idea that was
What the fuck? Just random spaceship here.
What are we supposed to do? Oh my god, no, no, no. There's something behind us. There's something behind us. It's like a black man or something. It's a black man. There's like a black man behind us. No joke, no joke. There's like a black man. There's a black man over there and it played spooky It played spooky dooky music. I don't like this.
I'm fucking just retarded. By the way, you can't walk up these stairs.
Oh my god, no!
Oh my god, that was
Wait for me. Wait.
Oh, my heart.
Wait for me, I can't walk anymore.
I'm literally quitting the game because it's so
My guy can't even fast walk anymore. What a fat piece of shit.
We're fucking retarded. Why would you... You don't have to play the fucking game. It's
Why are we being followed by a black man? What?
I think Reese.
Oh my god, he's behind us. He's still behind us. Run.
Oh my god.
I think he's touching me. Help me. Help me. Cooper, help. Stop. Wait for me. My guy can't even fast walk. Reese, this game is so great. Are you kidding me?
No, this game.
There's a black man following us. There's a black man following us that has no clothes on.
It's like...
Is that a black man or what was it?
No, it's like
No. He's white when you No, he's over there. What is he gonna do? What is... Wait, no. Reese, don't leave. Don't leave, Reese. What is he gonna do? I don't get it. Is he gonna kill us?
Of course he is.
God, this is so... We literally are just like fast walking away from him.